So great to see you guys. It's Monica Gray. And listen, Janelle and I were working out together, and we thought it would be fun to show them some of our favorite ab workouts, you know, because we were saying mine's better. And she said, no, mine's better. So, I love the ball. I love the ball.
And I don't like the ball.
At home, at the gym, everywhere. So what I'm going to do is, I love the ball. I love two balls, okay? So I get another ball to create a little more resistance. And this is one of my favorites. Make sure you have your lower back down, abs in tight. And I'm just lifting up and down just like this, you know? Just lifting, good time. And the resistance. Notice what I'm not doing. I'm not doing this sucker. Oh gosh, no I'm not. No I'm not. I'm going up, really reaching up, okay?
Okay, I think we get the idea.
Here's another one I enjoy. Going back, elbow back, back up, elbow back, back up.
Good.
Same thing on the other side. You know, you get the idea, right?
Right, right.
You got it.
Are you just going to do 3 or what?
Got it, yeah. Here's my
Three,
last one.
top
Ready?
3.
Ready for this guy?
Yeah.
Ready for this guy? Because I'm coming for you. I'm coming for
Oh,
you.
God.
Right there. Right here.
All right, I got
Love
it.
this sucker. Right here. Bring your knees all the way in. See how
Oh,
I'm
that
tucking
is
it in
good.
like this? Tucking
Yeah.
it in. Tucking it in. Tucking it in. All the way in.
Slower, more controlled.
Slower, more control. Okay, watch this. Watch this sucker. Oh, no, she did it. Maybe not. Okay. In.
Ah, those
Okay.
are tough.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, what do you got, Summers?
All right. Let's see. Much better. I don't enjoy the ball.
No, she doesn't like the ball. She threw the ball.
All right.
Want the ball.
My first one with
Yes.
the weights.
With the weights.
I'm pretty sure
She's pretty sure.
I made this up myself.
Uh-huh.
This is what I do. Take the weight up high. Are you getting me from a good angle?
Yes.
Okay. Take the weight up high.
Yes.
And then at an angle, touch the elbow.
Okay.
Up high, touch the elbow, and keep going.
Touch the
On
elbow.
the same side
Touch the elbow.
until you can't do anymore.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
The idea. So
Got
then
it.
you would go to the other side.
Oh, the other side. Okay.
Are you getting my bicep?
Got it. Yep. Wow. This is
Okay.
some stuff.
Now, what was the other thing I was gonna do? Oh, I like this. Thread the needle. This is kind of
Oh, yeah.
pio, but I like it.
Yeah, you know, we take what we love from different
Yeah, you
things.
definitely do.
Yeah.
So you come up here like this, and
See.
you have your hips stacked,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And then you thread the needle.
Thread it.
Down here like this.
Thread it. Yeah.
And you gotta do slow and controlled, and come up.
Yes.
And thread the needle,
Thread it.
and then come up.
Yeah.
Okay, what was the other thing I was talking about?
The other one you're gonna do is you're on your you're like in a push-up position.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Okay.
Yes.
I don't even need the mat for
There
this.
she goes. Doesn't need it. Throwing it.
All right. So you're like this.
There
okay?
she is.
You got this?
Got it.
All right. And you come in like this.
Yes.
And I like to keep going to the same side,
Yeah.
slow and controlled,
Yeah.
until that side is fatigued.
That's good.
Then you go to the other side.
Right.
Working the obliques.
Working the obliques.
Are you getting that?
Getting it.
All right. You
All
got
right.
an idea?
We got the idea.
Awesome.
All right.
Those are my top.
So, you're welcome. You're welcome, and see you later.